Good day to everyone. This is Mardy once again and welcome to my channel. On May 10, 1884, Maria Paz Mendoza Guazon, the first woman to graduate from the first medical school in the country, the UP College of Medicine in 1912, was born in Pandacan, Manila as Maria Paz Mendoza. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. At para updated kayo sa mga susunod kong videos, please click the bell notification below. At sana po, don't skip the ads and please watch until the end of my video. Nakamit niya ang maraming una. Siya ang kauna-unahang Pilipina na nakatanggap ng diploma sa mataas na paaralan mula sa isang pampublikong paaralan. The first Filipina appointed to fill a professor's chair at the University of the Philippines. The first woman member of the Board of Regents of the same university. At mula noong 1924 ay ilang ulit na nahalal sa post na ito. Ang unang Filipina na hinirang na lehislatura ng Pilipinas sa isang misyong pang-edukasyon sa Estados Unidos noong 1926. At ang unang Pilipina na nagwagi ng Zobel Prize noong 1930 para sa kanyang gawa na Notas de Viaje. Siya ang nagtatag at unang pangulo ng Philippine Association of University Women and the first managing editor of its official organ, The Woman's World. Si Dr. Mendoza Guazon ay higit na naalala sa kanyang tapat at aktibong pakikibahagi sa pakikibaka para sa karapatan ng kababaihan sa bansa. Siya ay madalas na nakikita sa mga pampublikong pagdinig na naghahatid ng mga talumpati na humihimok ng karapatan sa pagboto ng feminist. She was president of the Liga Nacional de Damas Filipinas in 1921, whose aim was to work for the achievement of Philippine independence. On her election, she said, "I have no child to hinder me in the execution of my duties, and I assure you that I will dedicate myself to this task of helping the cause of independence for the Philippines, as well as to the upliftment of the position of Filipino womanhood in the national scheme." Itinuturo ng kanyang pananaliksik sa Chisto Sumaises ang endemicity nito sa mga isla na napatunayang tama. Ang kanyang pakiusap na ang industrial na kalinisan ay isama sa medikal na kurikulum ng mga lokal na universidad, presented her vision of preparing for the country's industrial awakening. Isang pathologist, siya ang unang tumawag sa atensyon ng medikal na propesyon sa bangungot, isang anyo ng kamatayan na kilala noon na nangyayari lamang sa mga Pilipino sa Pilipinas at sa Hawaii. Ginawaran siya ng Philippine Federation of Private Medical Practitioners ng Distinguished Senior Physician Award noong March 3, 1966. Noong April 30, 1966, natanggap niya ang Presidential Merit Award. Noong May 1966, iginawad siya ng degree ng Doctor of Humanities ng Centro Escolar University. Siya ay kinasal sa kapwa-doktor na si Potenciano Guazon. She died of a heart attack on March 10, 1967. Calle Otis, a street in Paco, Manila, was renamed Maria Paz Mendoza Guazon Street in her honor. Thank you very much for watching. And according to Nicholas Sparks, love is like a wind. You can see it, but you can't feel it.